although you don't have to move the needle plate to get into the bobbin, for making it easier to see, I did remove it. Simply lift the flipper, pull out. The new style bobbin we're using has a hole in the arm, and you must run the thread through there because it picks up the thread much better. A lot of people say it doesn't make any difference whether you put the bobbin in clockwise or counterclockwise. We have found that it works much better if you have your bobbin going in the counterclockwise direction, because that's the way the thread is wound. If you have it going in the other direction, you can see that it could bind coming off. So you pull your bobbin thread up through the notch where it comes out in the center. Then run it through the hole in the arm, leaving about 3 or 4 inches out so that the thread can pick up the bobbin. Simply pull the flipper up, press it, and make sure that it's in good and tight. Rotate the hand wheel in the counterclockwise direction always, and it should pick up your bobbin thread. And it did.